Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th Maths and our chapter is Lines and Angle. Okay. In this chapter, we learn so many theorems, so many axioms. Okay. So, you have to learn. I hope you are learn this chapter, these theorems. Okay. And axioms. Okay. Problem based on axioms and theorems. There are many type of problem which can be solved by using above axioms and theorems. ओके हम जो ऊपर पढ़ चुके हैं theorems and axioms उसके उसको लेकर के हम बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो पर्टिकुलर मेथड टू सॉल्व दीज प्रॉब्लम्स बट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द वे ऑफ यूजिंग दीज एक्सियोम्स एंड थ्योरम विथ द हेल्प ऑफ फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल. जो हमने एग्जाम्पल्स देखे, सी कोई एक पर्टिकुलर मेथड नहीं है इन क्वेश्चंस को करने की. ओके बट आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो फिगर देखना है, आपको क्या दिया हुआ है, व्हाट इज़ गिवन एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड. आपको क्या पैरेलल लाइन फाइंड करना है और क्या अगर आपको पैरेलल लाइन फाइंड करना है देन यू हैव टू प्रूव टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल व्हेन corresponding angles are equal. So you have to prove corresponding angles equal, you have prove alternate interior angles equal, you prove allied angles are sum of allied angles is 180 degree. Okay, so many way you have solved any question. Okay, so see the examples and you have easily solved the question. Okay, and now our next topic is, just a minute. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so I think you all are know what is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, a closed figure formed by a three intersecting line is called a triangle. We know a triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. We denote a triangle by a symbol. हम कौन से सिंबल से डिनोट करते हैं ट्रायंगल को? दिस इज अवर सिंबल. ओके, टू डिनोट द ट्रायंगल. द लाइन सेगमेंट, अगर मैं इस ट्रायंगल का नाम दे दूँ ए बी सी, सो ए बी बी सी एंड सी ए आर द line segment of this triangle. A, B and C are the vertices and angle A, angle B and angle C are the angle of this triangle. Okay, understand? Now what is interior of this triangle? What do you mean by interior? Interior means inside the triangle, exterior means outside the triangle and boundary of the triangle को हम बोलते हैं boundary of the triangle. अगर कोई point ट्रायंगल की बाउंड्री पर है तो हम बोलेंगे बाउंड्री ऑन द ऑफ द ट्रायंगल या ऑन द ट्रायंगल. ओके, इंटीरियर एंगल्स. नाउ हियर सम इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर फॉर्म्ड एंड सम एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स आर फॉर्म्ड इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी. अगर मैं ए बी सी या पी क्यू आर की बात करूँ, सो एंगल पी क्यू आर, हियर एंगल 1 2 3 आर इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. ओके, so what is our theorem? The sum of the angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. What is our theorem? The sum of the angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, so how to prove this theorem? If this is a triangle, okay, you can see this is a triangle A B C. आपने इसका नाम दे दिया 1 2 3. आप किसी भी एक जो आपका वर्टेक्स है उस पर आप क्या करेंगे, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन अगर डाल देंगे, सो अब ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पर ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, 180 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दे फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर. अगर कोई पी क्यू हमने यहाँ पर ए बी हमने लाइन बना दी तो ये पूरा की पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, 180. ओके, सो इन दिस पी क्यू आर हुज एंगल आर रिस्पेक्टिवली 1 2 and 3. ओके, एंगल P is 1, angle Q is 2 and angle R is 3. Okay, so let's see what we can prove. See here. Okay, so sum of the angle is 180. We have to prove sum of the angle is 180 means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. ओके, सो हमने क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन किया, हमने एक एक्स वाई लाइन डाल दी और एक्स वाई लाइन पर अब ये क्या हो जाएगा, लीनियर पेयर. इट बिकम अ लीनियर पेयर बिकॉज इट इज़ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो इट बिकम अ लीनियर पेयर. ये लीनियर पेयर है तो नीचे वाला भी लीनियर पेयर होगा. ओके, सो वी have draw a line xy, okay, parallel to QR. Okay, so PQ and QR is parallel. See here, xy and QR is parallel to each other, and xpy is parallel to QR, and PQ PR are transversal. अब हमने बोल दिया कि ये जो लाइन है ये पैरेलल लाइन से पैरेलल लाइन के ट्रांसवर्सल हैं. ओके, अगर ये ट्रांसवर्सल हैं सो वी नो एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 बिकॉज दे आर पेयर ऑफ अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3 बिकॉज दे आर पेयर ऑफ अल्टरनेट एंगल. नाउ वी नो दैट दीज, अगर हम ये तीनों एंगल्स को प्लस करते हैं, इफ़ वी एड दीज 3 एंगल्स देन वी गेट 180 डिग्री. 4 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. हमने बोला 4 is equal to 2 because they are pair of alternate angle. 5 is equal to 3, they are pair of alternate angle. Okay, so angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degree. Now our second theorem is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle. ओके, अगर कोई भी ट्रायंगल में इफ़ यू प्रोड्यूस अ लाइन, ओके, सो जो ये वाला एंगल रहेगा ये इक्वल होगा इसके और इसके सम के. ओके, व्हेन वी ऐड, अगर मैं नाम दे दूँ ABC एंड हमने प्रोड्यूस किया D, so we can write it angle ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle D. Okay, so what is our theorem? If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle. Okay, understand? Now here you can note it down. A triangle cannot have more than one right angle. Okay, a triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. In a right angle triangle the sum of two acute angle is 90 degree. अब राइट एंगल में एक ही एंगल 90 डिग्री का हो गया तो बाकी के दो एंगल्स का एडिशन क्या होगा, 90 डिग्री होगा. ओके, एंड एक्सटीरियर एंगल of a triangle is greater than either of its interior opposite angles. Okay, understand? Now we can see the problem based on it and complete the exercise 6.3 also. Okay, so in this chapter what we learn, so in this chapter we learn a line is a straight path that is endless in both direction. It is denoted by AB और BA. आप कोई भी लाइन को क्या लिखेंगे, AB एंड BA. आप कोई इस टाइप से आप उसे डिनोट कर सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ if three or more than 3 points lies on the same line, then they are called collinear point, otherwise they are called non-collinear point. Okay, two lines are said to be intersecting line if they intersected each other at a one point. Okay, parallel line are the line in the same plane which do not intersect when produced on either side. Transversal line is a straight line which cut two or more straight line at distinct point. Okay, Now, if a transversal intersected two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal और converse is also true. इस थ्योरम का converse क्या है? True है. Okay. Now, each pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary and its converse is also true. Each pair of corresponding angle is equal. Okay. Angle is a figure formed by two rays with the same initial point. Okay. Following are the type of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Okay. Now if we talk about pair of angle, so there are complementary angle, supplementary angle, bisector of an angle. Okay, what is bisector of an angle? Bisector of an angle, a ray which divides the angle into two equal parts, is called the bisector of an angle. Okay. Adjacent angle, two angles are called adjacent angle if they have a common vertex, they have a common arm and their non-common arm on different side of the common arm. Okay. Now linear pair of an angle, if the non-common arm of two adjacent angle form a line, then these angles are called linear pair of angle. What do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Two angles are said to be a pair of vertically opposite angle if their arm form two pair of opposite ray. Okay, axioms and theorem of a pair of angle. If a ray stand on a line, then the sum of the adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. That is, the sum of the linear pair of angle is 180. Okay, and converse of this theorem is also true. Understand? Now, angle sum any closed figure formed by and another one, if two lines intersected each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal, and we can say that any closed figure formed by three intersecting line is called a triangle, and angle sum property of a triangle is the sum of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. An exterior angle property of a triangle, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, line which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Line which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Okay, understand? So in this chapter we learn what is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle and so on. Okay, and if we talk about, so student, here I will give you some multiple choice questions which type of question is coming to your exams. Okay, so let's practice it. So first is, in an angle is such that the 6 times its complement is 12 degree less than twice its supplement, then the value of angle is. What is the value of this angle? So how to find your the value of this angle? So let's the required angle will be x. Okay, so आप क्या करेंगे? Then its supplementary angle will be 180. Okay, so 180 minus x and its complementary will be 90 minus x. So अब आपको क्या दे रहा है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल क्या है? 6 टाइम है. ओके, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल इज 6 टाइम टू इट्स 2 times supplementary angle. Okay, so what is your equation become? Your equation becomes 6 into 90 minus x is equal to 2 into 180 minus x minus 12 degree. Okay, so when you solve this question you give an answer. Okay, now what is our second question? Our second question is, in the given figure line AB and CD intersected at O, if angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 80 degree, then find angle BOD and angle BOD is equal to 30, then find BOE equal to. आपको फाइंड करना है BOE किसके इक्वल है. ओके, So AOC plus BOE is equal to 80 degree is given, BOD is equal to 30 degree is given. Okay, since line AB and CD intersected at O, so AOC is equal to BOD because they are vertically opposite angle. ओके, सो AOC इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. AOC की वैल्यू मिल गई आपको BOC AOE प्लस BOE की वैल्यू पता है, BOD भी आपको पता है. सो यू इजीली फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ BOE. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ BOE एंड कंप्लीट द questions. Okay, so student, you have to complete these 10 questions I will give you. Okay, see, read it carefully. Question 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, okay, 7, 8 क्लियरली दिख रहा है. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 question I will give you. Okay, so complete these questions. Okay, understand? Complete these question for practice. I will give you practice sums. Okay, so complete this question. This is multiple choice question. This type of question is coming to your exam. Okay, have a good day.